was 10 years old when it happened to me, fishing with my dad where the water was deep, when the biggest fish I'd ever seen pulled me in. It was an all-out battle, sink or swim, couldn't let him go, couldn't reel him in, but that dime store rod and reel, it soon gave in. And I'd give anything to have that chance again.
Oh,
One that got away still gets to me today. I sure wish I could say that catch was mine. Man, I'd sure be proud of that, but that was it and that was that. Oh, ain't it true what they say? Well, I still talk about the one that got away.